I'm here in one of my favorite neighborhoods in Rancho San Clemente in Harbor View. Super excited because today we're launching what is very elusive in this neighborhood. It's the single level floor plan. Not only is this home completely remodeled throughout, but it offers amazing ocean views. Let's go take a look. Your new 4-bedroom, 2-bath home spans over 2,160 square feet of open concept living space, including custom beamed vaulted ceilings. And best of all, there's not one step throughout the entire home. This home has been completely remodeled throughout, including this gorgeous primary ensuite, as well as the hall bathroom, and of course your kitchen has been completely redesigned and remodeled as well. Second to your amazing ocean views is your extraordinary 10,000 square foot corner lot, which offers a little bit of everything. You've got multiple areas for entertaining, a custom barbecue bar, fire pit, fireplace, and of course, a very private jacuzzi with waterfall. And best of all, your new home has amazing proximity to all things San Clemente, including the iconic downtown scene and the pier just minutes away. Right here in Rancho San Clemente is the all-new Lifetime Fitness and so much more. For all the details, visit the property website, 600deldios.com. I'm Michelle Wilson with First Team Real Estate. Thanks for stopping by. This is such a rare opportunity here in Harbor Ridge, Harbor View. You must see this home. Call me today and we'll set up a private showing.